So, did you see that NekoBox for Android is a universal proxy tool? I find the concept of using proxies on mobile pretty fascinating.
Right? It's like having your own private network right in your pocket. But why do we need proxies on mobile in the first place?
Well, think about it, mobile devices are constantly connected to various networks. Proxies can help with privacy and security.
Exactly. But it's also interesting that they support so many protocols like SOCKS and ShadowSocks. That's quite a range.
Yeah, and it almost makes you think, how does supporting all these protocols impact user experience? Is it overwhelming?
That's a good point. Too many options might confuse users, but it also offers flexibility if you know what you're doing.
Right, so I'm curious, does it mean that even casual users could benefit from using something like this?
Potentially. But then again, if someone doesn't understand the difference between HTTP and SOCKS, they might get lost.
True, and wait, did you catch that the Google Play version is now a non-open source version? That's a huge shift.
I know it makes you skeptical about how trustworthy that version is. Open source often means more transparency.
Exactly, and that's why the GitHub version is still recommended. It feels more secure when you can see the code.
For sure. Plus, I wonder how the community around it affects development. More eyes can lead to quicker bug fixes.
Right, community-driven projects often have that collaborative spirit, but can they keep up with larger funded competitors?
That's a valid concern. Funding can drive resources, but community support can be passionate and innovative.
Speaking of innovation, I was surprised by the variety of supported subscription formats. That's pretty thoughtful.
Definitely. It shows they're considering user needs, but I wonder how they handle compatibility issues across formats.
Good question. If they only resolve outbound nodes, would that limit user functionality? I think it might.
Yeah, and it's tricky because the complexity of network configurations can leave some users underwhelmed.
Exactly, and it's essential for them to educate their users about how to leverage these features effectively.
For sure, I also noticed they have a donation system. I wonder if that affects how they approach development.
Interesting thought, it could motivate them to improve faster if users are directly contributing. But what about dependency?
Right? It's a double-edged sword. Relying on donations might push them to prioritize features over stability.
That's true, so would you say this project is on a solid path towards growth and sustainability?
Potentially. It depends on how they balance user needs with the technical challenges they face.
And don't forget community engagement. A strong user base can provide valuable feedback and support.
Absolutely. Plus, it's fascinating how this open source model can lead to innovations we might not expect.
Exactly, so I guess the key takeaway is that while NekoBox has its challenges, the potential is quite exciting.
Totally. And it raises a lot of questions about the future of mobile privacy tools. What's next for them?
I wonder, it's like a tech soap opera, but seriously, with privacy concerns growing, this could be a game changer.
Yeah, and if they can maintain user trust and transparency, who knows how far they could go.
Right? I feel like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible here. It's an intriguing space.
Totally. Think about it. Mobile networks are only going to get more complex. Proxies might become essential.
For sure, and as they evolve, I hope we see more user-friendly solutions that don't compromise on security.
Exactly. Plus, it's exciting to see how developers will keep pushing boundaries in this area.
Definitely, but let's not forget, with innovation comes the need for constant user education.
So true. It's like we need a whole new vocabulary to understand this tech-saturated world.
Ah, that's a great point. If we can't communicate the benefits, then what's the point of all these tools?
Exactly. It's all about making these tools accessible and understandable for everyone.
So I guess it's a call to action for developers to prioritize usability as they innovate further.
Yes, but I wonder what happens when usability clashes with advanced features. That's a tricky balance.
It really is, but I guess it's all part of the evolution of tech, finding that sweet spot is key.
Exactly. And I can't wait to see how NekoBox will adapt and grow in this ever-changing landscape.
Same here, it's like watching a live experiment unfold with user feedback shaping the future.
Definitely. And we get to witness it all, which is just as thrilling as the tech itself.
For sure, so what do you think? Will we be seeing more of these tools in the mainstream soon?
I hope so. It feels like we're on the verge of something big in mobile privacy and security.
Absolutely, and hopefully more users will recognize the importance of these tools in their daily lives.
Fingers crossed. It's an exciting time in tech, and I'm here for all the developments.